Hi everyone, it's Jennifer. I was gifted just the perfect little table, really great for so many purposes. So this is technically a meditation table. Let me show you up close. Made out of wood. The walnut color is beautiful and it has this ingenious fold up design. This bottom part of the table comes out, then you can fold up the legs, and then you can store this under your couch. It just slides right under. I love this because without this lower piece, you can sit on the floor and use this as a table if you're typing on your computer or using your iPad. This would also be great for breakfast in bed. Mother's Day is coming up. How much fun would this be as a gift? Even if you don't eat breakfast in bed, just to have your coffee and your book or your iPad here, that would be amazing. You can also put the wood in the bottom. Slides right in, and then that makes the table a little more sturdy because the legs are not going to push in. This is gorgeous. It looks like a piece of furniture that you could leave out in your house. So many different reasons to get this. Again, you can use this as a small altar. You can use it for yoga. You can use it for breakfast in bed, or just for doing your work on the floor. I am loving this table, and I